Hey everybody, Zach Warren here, video 3 in our Wilderness 2400 RB 2020 by Heartland. We're in the bathroom right now. This is a rear bath unit. You can see the real nice shower here with the shower surround with the built-in shelves there. Really nice door that closes. I absolutely love this, and then you just press in and it comes out. Storage galore, 2 cabinets here. Cabinets over here, cabinets down below, nice sink, big countertop here for more storage. We're also going to have a gas or electric water heater here. You can choose to do either one, or you can combine them, and then it makes it a quick refresh. So in this one, we're going to have a nice little closet right here. I absolutely love this closet. Great for storage. You can never have enough storage. And then I do love these sliding doors. It is locked into place right now, but unlock it. Nice sliding door here for privacy into the bathroom. So from here, we do have this nice L-shaped couch. I love this as well with this table. This table does come out, and then this will turn into a little sleeper right here. You can sleep right on here. We have our cabinets right here. If my camera guy wants to get in here, you can actually see we've got some LED accent lighting in here. All the lights in this camper are going to be LED, including this LED sconce right here. And then we are going to have our entertainment system here with more storage, central vacuum, space for a nice big TV, AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB. This controls inside and outside speakers. It's a mouthful. It literally does everything. So it's a great little entertainment system here. Our stove is going to light up when we hit the button. Great counter space here. Lift it up, turns into a backsplash, which, speaking of backsplash, nice little one right back there. Somebody left their water in here. Let's go ahead and move that out of the way. We're going to have our nice microwave up here with our power fan hood with light. Drop down faucet. Hard surface countertops in this one. Nice stainless steel sink. And then right across the way, we are going to have our nice big fridge. Just look at the size of this thing. It's a nice size fridge. Great for putting your chopsticks, burgers, and ice cream up there. Beer, soda, water, snacks down there. I'm a pudding guy. I would fill that thing with snack packs right away. Now our last stop is going to be our bedroom, and we are going to see our queen size bed. Another sliding door right here, locked into place. My camera guy wants to get in. You can see you have a TV location right there. We do have more LED lights right above the sleeper here. And then we have 2 mirrored cabinets, 2 unmirrored cabinets, 2 upper and 2 lower nightstands here, so you got lots of room here. Now you can see here with these 2 ducts, we are doing the H-duct system, 2 ducts instead of 1, faster, more even cooling. And then with the roof, it is a solid roof. I can come in here, I can punch it, it legitimately hurts my hand. It does not move, it does not flex. Try that with another camper, with another salesman, another product, and they're going to yell at you because they're going to say you're going to put a hole through the roof. You can do it all day on mine. You can break your hand legitimately on this thing if you're going to put a hole in it. Guys, again, my name is Zachary Warren here at Phillips RV in Bradley, and if you'd like to ask more questions or come in and take a look at this unit, give me a call, 815-933-2251, extension 735. I'd love to see your face, put a smile on it, make a great deal, and send you home with an absolutely excellent product. And until then, we'll be seeing you.